This is our second spreadsheet assignment. The first one was pretty much just learning some Excel or whatever spreadsheet program you're using, skills. With this one, we're actually going to get to use some of the math that we're learning in the spreadsheet. It'll feel more connected to our class. Once again, if you click on this underlined title of the file, it'll take you to a previewer, and you can download from there, or you can skip all that and just click on this little icon of the little arrow to download directly. You'll download the file and open it up, and you'll notice that if you have watched the help videos, that this looks really familiar. So what you're looking for, once again, you might have to, move your screen or open it bigger in order to find this yellow instruction text box. And you're just going to go through, follow all the instructions, and when you're done, you'll save it and upload it. Now, I want to point out, this is noted in large letters, and I'm going to remind you again. We want to practice using Excel formulas in order to get the spreadsheet to do this for us. So I want the spreadsheet to figure up the tax for me, even if I were to go in, let's say that the unit price of buffalo chicken changed, and so I had to go in here and I had to change this price. If I have all the formulas built into the spreadsheet, then it'll auto adjust, and the tax and the total after discount, all of those things should adjust. So for example, I have built some formulas in here. These are not the correct formulas, so don't copy these. But I want to show you how, look how this says 22.54. If I go up here and I change this to, let's say, $3. Do you see how this is adjusted? Now it's 22.56. And also my total there has changed. If all I do is take out my calculator or my piece of scrap paper and I figure it all up and add it and then manually type in those numbers, then if I go back and change some of the original data, it's not going to adjust. We want the spreadsheet to adjust. So we're programming in the math that we want it to do. So make sure, if you don't know how to do formulas, watch those help videos. They'll tell you how to do it. This is, near the bottom of that assignment page. Here are the new videos. And then if you need to refer to the old ones, here's the videos from the old assignments, from the last assignment. So if I go to Intro to Formulas, I can watch this video. It'll tell me about how to do formulas. And as you're looking at this example, you might see some things that look a little familiar. One last caution. If you are using multiplication in a formula, on your calculator, when you're handwriting it also, our convention is often to use parentheses, and we just assume like 5 parentheses 2 parentheses, that the 5 and the 2 are being multiplied. In Excel, if you have a number next to a parenthesis, it isn't automatically multiplying. If I want to take this total and multiply it times 5, I can't just type it next to the 5. I've got to put in the multiplication operator, which is an asterisk. It's a really easy mistake to make. because we're used to our calculators knowing what we mean. If I don't do that, it's going to give me this like error notification. Hey, there's a problem here. So you just go back. Oh yeah, need to multiply. Now, let me warn you again. I was just making something up. This is not what you should actually put in that. So, and then I want to point out there's the last, don't forget the last instruction. So you're going to do the whole table and you're going to feel really complete and wonderful. But this very last step, step number 4, you want to create a second sheet and type your name in cell A1 of that second sheet. You're practicing creating a new sheet. So don't forget that last step. That's some points too. It's not very hard, and if you don't know how to do it, you can watch a video about it. Good luck. I know you got it.